Ever wonder why we get hiccups? It's not just about eating too quickly. Hiccups happen when your diaphragm, the muscle that helps in breathing, spasms involuntarily. This sudden contraction causes you to take a quick breath in, which is then interrupted by the closing of your vocal cords, resulting in that funny hic sound. Interestingly, they're more common after drinking carbonated beverages or eating spicy foods, which irritate the diaphragm. So the next time you hiccup, remember it's your body's quirky way of keeping you in check. Follow Ever Wonder Why for more daily curiosity bombs.